In this video, we're going to have a look at adding tags to things like doors and windows. So on the Annotate tab, we can see we have the tag by category and tag all. We'll look first at the tag by category. And when we do this, we get the options bar, give us a few options. So let's zoom in and just see what these options do. Now, the first one, we've got horizontal, and we can change that to vertical or model. So for the doors, if we look, we can see we can put that one by there. We can change it to vertical, and it just rotates it the other way around. Click on tags. Now, if we scroll down to the doors, we'll see here we've got a couple different options. So we've got boxed, and we've got number only or number and rating with the fire rating of the door. Okay, so I'll leave it on boxed for now. Then we can, I'll just select that there. So I've only got that one there, show the leaders, not the add remove host. There. So that's just a bit clearer. And right, now we've got leader. So we can have it set straight in the door opening, or we can have the line that brings it out. And then we've got attached end and free end. So the free end is where you can sort of position it as you want. Okay, let's just try and keep it locked onto the door that you want. I personally don't like that option because it is a little bit messy then when they're all over the place, but that's up to you. And then finally we can change the length of the leader. So I got it set to 5mm by there, so it's that fixed length. We could change that to 10mm and have it a bit longer, whichever you prefer. Let's go for somewhere in between the two, see what that looks like. There we go. So then you can click on there, but I've escaped twice out of it. If we click on that now, we've got the little arrows there, and we could actually move it around then if you wanted to and change where it is. And I'll just undo that. So that's the first method, using tag by category. Now we could tag all. So instead of doing an individual tag, it brings up all the different types of things we could tag. And I'm just going to select doors for this one. And again, you've got the types of tags there that are already loaded in. And then you can just apply that and say OK. And now when we look around, we can see something's gone a bit wrong there. I've lost one of my doors. But we can see basically the doors are now all tagged. Then you could have a look at the numbers of the tags and actually change them if you want. So for example, that one's 12. I could change that to number 1. And then maybe I would want this one instead of 11. I might have that as number 2. And so on. You may occasionally get an error come up if you've got duplicate numbers, but then just keep on going through and change them to the numbers that you want, and so forth. Okay, so that is how you can add and give different types of tags to your doors or your windows. Hope you've enjoyed and found it helpful. The next video we do will be looking at creating a schedule for the doors or the windows.